Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. Yeah, this is a beautiful year again. Happy New Year everyone. Good to see you. Good to know you're out there doing great already. Yeah, if today is the first time of watching me on my channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button and join the family for exciting content, okay? Also remember to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever content drops. Okay, this video is just to say happy new year to everyone, all of my subscribers, all of my YouTube family. I love you all. We bless God we were able to cross over. Trust me, God has a lot of great things in store for us this year, honestly. So because he says in his word, for I know the thought that I think towards you, to the peace and not of evil, to give you your expected end. So that expected end, God is always out seeking for the best for us each and every day. Okay, so this is a beautiful year and it's a beautiful opportunity again, a new episode. It's time to launch into greatness. All right, so you have to drop those things that you were doing last year that didn't really favor you, so it's time to put a check to them and deal with them. Okay, so when it comes to having a productive year, you just have to be up and doing. So one thing that always draws us back venture into something new is procrastination. Yes, we should learn to deal with procrastination this year. You should make it our enemy this year. I could remember before I started this YouTube channel, I had a lot of times where I said, okay, I want to get started, let me just get started. But I kept procrastinating, pushing it forward. Okay, maybe at this perfect time, maybe at the time like this. No, let me tell you something. There is actually never a perfect time. You just create that perfect time. You just have to create it. Alright? You just have to create it. Because if you're waiting for that perfect time may never come. And that dream of yours might just end up being a dream. It might never come to reality. So whatever it is that you need to do, you have to get started now. Okay, as we're in the fresh year, it's a fresh start, it's a new beginning. So put on the mindset of possibility, put on the mindset of an achiever. Yes, be expectant. Expect great things always to happen to you. Always watch out for positivities this year in every situation. Nothing good comes easy, so they say. Okay, so you just have to pay the price and make sure this year ends up a success for you. So many things you had wanted to start last year, you kept saying, okay, I'll start time, I'll start this time, but throughout last year you were not even able to get started. So one phrase I always used to motivate myself is get started. Just get started. Okay, you can always get better at it. There's always room for improvement. Whatever good thing you want to venture into this year 2022, please get started. It's not too early. It's never too early. Let's get started. Okay, let's just get started. Anyhow, let's just get started. We can always get better. There's always room for improvement. Be sure you have a productive year. Okay, let's stay away from negative vibes. Whatever does not give you peace, whatever does not give you satisfaction, whatever does not motivate you to get better at what you're doing, stay away from it. Life is short. Life is short. Okay, just make the best of it this year. I have my programs already, and by God's grace, by God's special grace, and as I walk towards it, it will surely come to pass. We should learn to take responsibility for our life this year, for our actions. Yes, some persons are full of excuses, so this year do away with excuses. Excuses are bad. All right, just as procrastination is bad, excuses are bad. Take responsibility for your life, for your future, okay? For your year 2022, okay? Be in charge of your life this year. God has given you the free will to make choices, okay? Your destiny is in your hand. So, and with us practicing strategies, various growth strategies, success strategies, and God on our side, we'll definitely make it through this year, honestly. So Be happy at all times. You're going to see me smiling like never before. You're going to see me laughing like never before. Always set a good atmosphere for yourself. Like, be found happy, be found joyful, okay? Always be content with what you have. As you look forward for more, be content with what you have, okay? Be grateful for it, be thankful, and look forward for more, okay? So, is there anything I'm forgetting? Because actually I didn't write anything down. I just had them on my head, in my mind. Okay, now I'm so excited. I'm so overjoyed. Because this year, party after party. Yes, so because of the great things that God is said to do, it's going to be joy, 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 celebration, celebration. And to as many that believe, hey, it is so unto you in Jesus' name. And one more thing before I go, put God first, okay? Put God first in all you do. Start with God, proceed with God, and end with God. In fact, your life is going to be extremely beautiful. What are your plans? What are your dreams and aspirations this year? Get started already. Get started already. Time waits for no man, actually. Time, they say, waits for no man. Okay, so you got to get started. Let me how it is. Get started. There's always room for improvement. You can always get better. Okay, so talk about my channel. So this year we're going to be featuring a lot of interesting stuff, a lot of exciting content, hopefully. Okay, you can give me a video suggestion. Okay, anything you want me to talk about or to feature on my channel that could help this channel to be interesting, please, you guys are free to drop it on the comment section. I'll be there to read your comments. Honestly, I already say beautiful year. So let me know how this video inspired you, how this video blessed you, what you picked from this video. Consistency is key. Consistency is key. Okay, that said, I want to leave you now to expect great content this year 2022. Okay, so thank you for watching this video to the end. If you have not given this video a thumbs up, please do. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. And if you have not left a comment down below. Thank you so much. I remain your friend, Faithfulness. See you in my next video. I love you.